Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Understanding and Implementing Bloom Filters in Python. Bloom filters are space-efficient data structures designed to test whether a given element is a member of a set. They are particularly useful when memory efficiency is crucial, as they provide a probabilistic approach to membership queries with a controlled risk of false positives. In this tutorial, we will explore the basics of Bloom filters and implement a simple version in Python. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download it from python.org. Let's create a simple Bloom filter class in Python. This implementation uses the bitarray library for efficient bit manipulation and the mmh3 library for hash functions. You can install them using. Now, let's see how to use the Bloom filter. Bloom filters are a powerful tool for efficient membership testing, especially when memory is a concern. While they may produce false positives, the probability can be controlled by adjusting the size of the filter and the number of hash functions used. Feel free to experiment with different parameters to see how they affect the performance and accuracy of your Bloom filter implementation. ChatGPT.